4. 15 cot A. It is given that 15 cot A is equal to 8. What do you have to find out in this? We have to find out sine A and sec A. Find sine A and sec A. So here is the solution. 15 cot A is equal to 8. So see the confusion. Just for the confusion, they will give like this question. No problem. But we are also smart. What we should do here, cot A is equal to what I can write. This 15 we have to cross multiply.
8 by 15.
8 by 15. Yes, correct answer C. So what is the ratio of the cot? Cot means what? It is a reciprocal of tan. So tan nothing but what? Perpendicular by base. So you have to reciprocal now here. Base by perpendicular will come. For cot A will come what? Base by perpendicular. All right. So here I will draw the figure. As I said, now same figure you do the for all the question. Here is the A, B, and C, so that you will not get confused here. And this is the angle A. So this is always we will be getting the hypotenuse. This BC will be the perpendicular, and AB is the base. Now, according to the question, what is given base? The base is given here 8, and the perpendicular is given 15. Now easily you can find the hypotenuse here. So if you want to find hypotenuse, you know hypotenuse is very easy. So hypotenuse is here AC square. So AC square is equal to what?
AB square plus BC square.
Addition we have to do. Addition. AB square plus BC square. Whenever you want to find hypotenuse means you have to go for addition of perpendicular square and base square. So AC square is equal to AB is nothing but here 8 square and BC is nothing but 15 square. So 8 8 just 64. 15 square.
225.
225. So 64 plus 225. What is the answer?
289. 289.
289. So what is the square root of 289?
17.
17. Correct. Square root of 289 is 17. If you don't know square root of 289, then it is very difficult. Please, you have to remember square root up to 625. Okay. Then only you can able to solve the problem. Now it's over. Now what we should do here, we have to find out the sine A. Sine A. So sine A, everybody know that is a perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine A is perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Perpendicular. What is the perpendicular here? Perpendicular is 15.
15.
And hypotenuse is 17. Okay, done. Now here we have to find out the sec A. Sec A is actually the reciprocal of cos A. Sec A, mic off please.
Hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by base.
Cos A. Cos A is actually we know cos A means what? Curly brown hair. Base by hypotenuse. Okay, this is what cos. But you have to go for reciprocal for the secant. If you want to write secant A, you have to reciprocal the cos A.
Hypotenuse by base.
Hypotenuse by base.
Yes, so that will come here hypotenuse by base. So your hypotenuse value, what is the hypotenuse value?
17.
17.
17 by base. Base means 8. Or
8.